Cheesy.
Yeah, but it's from Great Grandma and Great Grandpa. Can you open it?
Yeah. Okay.
You want to help?
Yeah.
All right.
Baby.
We're going to keep opening it, buddy.
Okay, Daddy. Okay, Daddy. Okay.
There's Baby Camp right there. He's not really too excited about it.
Okay.
Are we going to open it?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Aha. Oh, boo-boo. Oh.
All right. Get it open, buddy. It's okay. You can just open the present.
Great job.
Good job, Bennett. You gonna put that one on the floor for now? Okay. What is it? Fire truck?
Is it a puzzle? Get that paper out of here.
Bennett, what are they? What's this one?
Open.
Open? Bennett, what's this?
Whoa.
A boat? What's this one right here?
Water.
What's this one?
Choo-choo.
What's this one?
Choo-choo.
What's this one? Is that
Bus.
a bus? Yeah.
Oh. Okay. You want Mommy to help?
Yep.
He's opening it for you. My open. Mommy is showing you. You want to open the other one?
Do you want to open this one, Bennett?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You do want to?
Please.
Whoa, Bennett, what's this one?
Thank you.
Bennett, what are they? Do you know what this is?
Waffle.
A woof woof? What's this one?
Giga.
A kitty cat? What's this?
Bear.
A bird? What's that one?
Fish.
What's this guy?
Deer.
What's that?
Waffle.
A pony?
No. Worry.
What's this one? Is it
Giga.
a rabbit? What's this one?
Giga.
This one's a kitty cat. This one's a rabbit. It looks kind of like a kitty cat. Bennett, can you say thank you to Great Grandma and Great Grandpa?
Thank you, Mommy.
More. Can you say thank you all the way from Georgia? Bennett, did you see what Baby Camp got for being born? Do you remember when you used to have one that was a giraffe? Look. That's for Baby Camp. You think he likes it? You do? Do you want to let Baby... Let's see if we can see Baby Camp. Is Baby Camp all partied out?
He's had a hard morning.
Did he have a hard day? Baby Camp's kind of passed out, right?
He's snoozing.
Can you say bye-bye, Bennett?
Bye-bye.